Welcome back. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video. Feel your breath at the tip of your nose. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count, just feel. Today we're going to talk about honesty. Addiction causes a level of denial that can be quite challenging for those outside. No matter how much people push someone into recovering or recovery, unless that person accepts that there's a problem, overcoming it is impossible. Admitting that we are powerless over something or some event or some behavior is the first step to becoming better than where we are today, or recovering what we've lost. A commitment to truth to oneself is paramount. Honesty with ourselves frees us from needing to defend, frees us from needing to apologize for. It releases us from hating. Truth, or honesty, gives power through inner purity and calm. Truth releases us from addictions of behavior. Truth helps build self-confidence by removing inner doubt. It opens us to the path of forgiveness and reconciliation. I can't fix a carb craving habit unless I become honest about my love affair with potato chips. This is being honest. Truth is fostered by mindfulness. We discover what is rather than what we desire, and that is honesty. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.